Nutritious, healthy oats. Have my oats milk, chia seeds, some peanut butter, and the whole peanuts. In my empty glass, I'll go in with my oats. This a cup and a half. I'll go in with my whole peanuts. Then in with my chia seeds. I'll put in my peanut butter. Then mix them through as I add my milk. Remember, you can use either the daily milk or the plant-based milk. I'll mix this thoroughly to get a perfect mixture. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. Once I'm done, I'll cover my mixture and let it cool in the refrigerator overnight. And if you're in a hurry to have it as a snack, you can leave it for 2 hours in the refrigerator. My mixture or my oats have been sitting for 2 hours, and it's time to do the toppings. As I mentioned, this is a healthy recipe, so I'll go in with my green apple. This makes it a very nutritious and delicious oats. This recipe is so easy, whether you are a seasoned pro in the kitchen or a beginner. This is a very easy recipe to try. Kindly let me know how your overnight oats turn out. Let me know how you find this recipe. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more nutritious recipes and wellness tips to support your journey to be a happier, healthier lifestyle. Let's make every meal a celebration of health and flavor together. Bye bye.